bad. You probably only got 64 counts. Alright, this is a Kapa. So the armies have to be fast. So it starts off in your army. And you're listening for the music. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, put it on, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, put it on, 2, 3, 4. Look to the right, 2, 3, look to the left, 2, 3, 4. You're going to step on the right foot. Right arm is going to go high, and you're going to take this arm across your body, and you're going to snap your hip, and you're going to whip it. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to put this hand above your head. You're going to turn around and face front. Turn, 2, 3, 4. Then you arm me for your music. God bless you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it on. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it on. 2, 3, 4. Look, 2, 3. Remember where that thumb is. Look, 2, 3, 4. Boom, 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 and you turn. Now face the way you came. If you came in that way, your butt's going to be that way. Oh, hold it. There you go. Turn your butt the other way. You came in this way. Came this way. See what? If you came in this way, yeah, you're going to back off. And you're going to go da-da, bum, 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 da-da, bum, 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 okay? You understand. Oh, man.
You got to listen to the call. Oh. My guy's still in the line.